DJI Flip Focus Track. Focus Track includes Spotlight, Active Track, and Point of Interest, POI. Spotlight. The camera always faces the subject while you are manually controlling the flight. Active Track. The aircraft follows a moving subject at a certain distance and altitude. POI. The aircraft flies around the subject based on the set radius and flight speed. Before enabling Focus Track, make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light. Tap the Focus Track icon on the left of the camera view, or select the subject on the screen to enable Focus Track. Spotlight is the default mode once entering Focus Track. Press the Shutter Record button on the remote controller or on the screen to start taking photos or recording video. Push the left stick up, down to change the aircraft altitude. Push the left stick left, right, or use the gimbal dial to adjust the subject position in the frame. Push the right stick up, down to alter the distance from the subject. Push the right stick left, right to make the aircraft circle the subject. Active Track. Tap Active Track. The aircraft enters Active Track mode and automatically follows the subject from behind. You can also use the control sticks to adjust the aircraft orientation, altitude, and distance from the subject. After selecting the tracking subject, tap POI. Set the flight direction and speed. The aircraft will circle around the subject at a constant altitude. Exiting Focus Track. Tap the Focus Track icon to exit.